Welcome to Silkytreat Channel, easy delicious cooking. On the menu today, one recipe prepared in 60 minutes start to finish. Ham rolls, spinach, mashed potatoes. Ingredients: 3 slices of ham, fresh spinach, 3 potatoes, butter, salt, pepper, nutmeg, shredded cheese, fresh parsley. Preparation: clean the spinach leaves, cook them in butter, on low heat for 4 minutes, adding salt, pepper, nutmeg. In a large pot, insert the potatoes, bring water to a boil, add salt, and cook the 3 potatoes for 20 minutes or until soft to a knife end. On an oven tray, lay 3 slices of ham, fill them with the cooked spinach leaves, make a roll, cover with shredded cheese of your choice, some fresh butter and ground pepper. Insert in the oven on broiler, temperature 250 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes or until the cheese get a nice coloring. Once all is cooked, serve on a plate. The ham rolls and the potatoes mash in puree. Decoration: some fresh parsley. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.